All right, y'all, they finally fixed the machine, the vending machine in Stockton on Country Club. This machine has been down for months. When I tell you it's been down for months, it's been down. So it's finally back open. We're gonna see what they got. Hopefully we can get something. Yep, it's back up. And it's the usual. Sold out, but at least we got another vending machine in the area open, so that's good news. Thank you for watching Deji Pokemart. We out.